I think we need a new microwave. Got the microwave dilemma taken care of. Some of you might not know, but today is my birthday. So we're gonna be going on a birthday bike ride. What's the temperature?
Well, it's hat and glove temperature. Let's go.
All right. It's pretty cold. I guess it should be. It's December, right?
It's a little cold. We could not pass up this day. It is so sunny. It's a little brisk, but for December 12th, Dave's birthday, I mean, God just gave us a day that we can ride our bikes.
Green light, going for it.
Made it.
What up, Crow?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
Axel, get over here. Hey.
That's the old Bessemer right over there. Bessemer's gone, but they got Paul's Industry in there, boy. It looks a lot cleaner now than what it used to look like. Asher, we're coming up on Grandma and Grandpa's old house. Have to check it out. Hold on. There it is, Asher. Grandma and Grandpa's old home. How cool is that? When I was like, I don't know, 4 or 5, maybe 4, I had a little blow up pool in the front yard. I used to spend hours in till my fingers would prune up. I got this sweet new tripod for my birthday. So this next clip, that's probably going to be about 5 seconds long, is going to take us about 5 minutes. So I hope you appreciate it. And we're going to try out the new tripod. New tripod. I can't hear me. This is the new tripod. Fresh from Amazon. She's a beaut. Alright, we'll go right. Feeling good now. Not too bad. Sun's out, warm. Feeling warm. Of course, I got my winter coat on.
Me too.
This is the this is like the fancy area of Grove City, the boulevards. Yes, whatever. I might have to shed some clothes and take my coat off. Will you wait for me?
Yeah.
Find a spot to pull over?
Driveway.
No, not in the driveway. Alright, no, keep going. Alright, we'll go down to the next road.
Okay. Dave doesn't know this, but we're actually going down to where they've seen some bears. I'm gonna see if we can see one today. Okay, no bear, but we found a deer.
Yeah, we'll just, let's stop right here, this road. Cool.
You know, the famous poet says that we should take the road less traveled, but I'll tell you what, Dave and I want to take all the roads. We want to travel everywhere. Oftentimes I'd run on these roads and sometimes it was long runs. So this is the spot where there's a nice hiding place. If you need to go, you can go.
Cancel on the no coat thing.
Dave's putting his coat back on.
It's too cold.
Got some Christmas spirit. How cool is that?
Candy canes.
I love riding on this street because a couple times I've been running and I found money that no one claimed.
That was a good birthday bike ride. 39 years old now. Coming in hot.
It's cold. Let's see if Doug wants to do a sauna.
Telephone.
My toes are freezing.
It's like that. What is that?
It is a lightning sled.
What?
Look who's on the couch.
I was gonna say it's like that in-between temperature where it's just warm enough to be okay, but cold enough you need a coat. Joss, where'd you get the sled from? Huh?
VFW.
Oh, the VFW. Sauna time. How was your sauna?
Awesome.
Yeah, it was good.
So good.
So that pretty much concludes our birthday bash.
That's right. I gotta go home. I'll make you a birthday dinner. He won't let me take him out. So I'm not gonna work from home tomorrow, Dave.
Okay, going into work tomorrow.
Gotta go into the office.
I'll see you in a week.
Sounds good. Scared.
Dude, you're gonna crash hard at the bottom.
Do not do that.
Why? Aw.
That was a bad idea, Dave.
Dude, go for it. That's like some X Games stuff, dude.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Go for it.
Dave, is this scary?
Yeah, it's super scary, dude. Your mom will kill us.
Oh no.
Want me to push you? No, don't do it.
Don't. Why?
Because I said so.
Okay.